DJI is ready to release its next tiny powerhouse, the Osmo Pocket 4. This time, it comes with a redesign, upgraded sensors, variable aperture, and at least 20% longer battery life. Recent leaks and hands-on footage from Igor Bogdanov give us a clear look at what to expect, and the FCC listing confirms it's coming soon to the US. The Pocket 4 will feature a dual sensor system. Main 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor with variable aperture, giving you more creative control and cinematic depth. Supports 6K video at 30 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, plus improved low light and night shooting. Secondary 1/1.3 sensor with a more square aspect ratio, perfect for vertical content on TikTok or Instagram Reels. This combination makes the Pocket 4 ideal for both cinematic shots and ready-to-post social content. DJI is sticking to a single front display for previews, which is enough for most creators since you can rotate the camera as needed. It's compact, versatile, and perfect for travel vlogs, daily memories, and expert filming. Battery life is getting a serious upgrade, 1,545 mAh versus the previous 1,300 mAh. Longer runtime for extended shooting sessions. This makes the Osmo Pocket 4 the best vlogging camera DJI has built yet. China, December 18. US. After December 23, post-ban lift. It's a strategic launch to maximize availability for creators worldwide. Are you planning to get the DJI Osmo Pocket 4? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe for all the latest tech news and camera leaks.